Hey yo, what's up guys? So, I'm back. I'm pretty sure I'm back. Who knows? I don't know. I might take another siesta for another year, but I don't want to. Because I've noticed the stuff that I was kind of getting kicked off for, everyone's doing a little differently. So I figured I'd try it. Once again, we have the Fire TV stick. If you're interested in alternative apps, here's the place to come. Once again, couple things you need to do. Jailbreak Firestick. These things don't get jailbroken. They get rooted, which is pretty much an old version of. You'd plug a special plug in here into the power adapter with the USB. I don't think I have. Yeah, I do. Something like this. And it would, you could change the settings in the primary directories of Android. We don't need to do that anymore. There's just one quick little setting. So let's cut to the chase. How do we get what we're looking for here today? Guys, we need to download one main program called Downloader. Most of you have heard it. If you haven't yet, Downloader is the main program in order to get alternative apps out from outside your Amazon store. And you just download regular Android apps, ones that maybe you have on your phone or anything else. So first things first, go to the little find button, come down to the search field and type in Downloader. As you can tell, I just started typing it in, and it's the second one on my list. It might be the third. You might have to keep typing the whole thing in. Push, click, and then you have this orange icon, Downloader, with a little down arrow. Click on it and install. I already have it installed. So cut. So let's do this a little differently. Let's go in quickly. Since I already have it installed, I'm going to uninstall it real quick. Let's get it out of here. Boom, gone. Awesome. Now, let's go back to the square one. So, little search icon. Click on it. Click in the search box. Start typing in Downloader. As you can tell, showed up super quick. I might even not cut this scene out. This man, I'm just flying by my pants. Click on Downloader. Here's the icon. Click on it. And it says, I do own it. I just uninstalled it, as you can tell. But you may not own it. But it just says download. Throws it into the queue. Make things fast. It downloads, install. As you can tell, it says ready to launch. You can click the 3-line button if you wanted to. But first, before we do any of that, go back to your home screen. So push the little home icon. Go all the way to the right to the little settings cogwheel there. Go down to My Fire TV. Now guys, if I'm going too fast, push pause. Sorry. I like to make these videos quick for you guys. Click on My Fire TV. Now, as you can tell, first thing up, about. Second line, developer options. You may not have this line. If you don't worry. There's a way around it. If you do already have this line, skip this 5-second step. Go back to About, click on it. Now you have Fire TV Stick. Click the center button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. As you can see, it says no need for me. I'm already a developer. So Amazon had a little trick up their sleeves. Let's take away the developer options. Let's take away the ability to root our sticks by hiding the developer option, which all it does is makes it so that we can't load other apps onto the device. So you're now a developer. We are in developer mode. Click developer options. Go to install unknown apps. So This is going to allow us and allow downloader here to install unknown apps from unknown sources, more or less. So we turn it on, and away it goes. It says this allows downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon store, which is what everyone wants. Turn this option on only if you install apps from a reliable source as a developer. This is here for people to test apps. Amazon can't take this option away. They can hide it for regular, everyday people, but they can't get rid of it because it's pretty much Android's baseline. Now we can go back out of there. We can back out, go back to home. Find downloader now. So we'll go all the way over to the little four squares and a plus sign, and that gives us these are our apps already installed. Yours probably looks different. I definitely do suggest getting IPVanish. One main reason, because some of the stuff, I'm in Canada and I like to watch some American football, so, or maybe some European football, so we can kind of move as to where we're watching from. But that's a different video for a different day. So let's click on downloader. Downloader's going to pop up. Like always, like every single, I don't have my phone on me. Let's go, there we got a phone. Like every time you open up an app on your phone, what happens? It asks you, do you want to give it permissions to do something? So as you can see, it says allow downloader to access photos, media, and files to your device. Well, we want it to download stuff, so it needs access to those areas on our device, so allow it. And of course, quick start guide from downloader. Read it if you want, but let's just get into the nitty gritty. Okay guys, easiest thing possible. We got okay. So in this URL box, we're going to type in our website, ledbytheunknown.com, quick and easy way, 456835, and then click go. Now the aftnewshere.com has a little 5-second wait. So while we're waiting, hold the select button for a few seconds and then add current page to favorites. Then you won't have to wait every time. Save it and it'll be in the favorites there on your left side. Here, and we can scroll down and there's a good app we could use. There's another good app possibly that'll work, but today we're going to do the Ultimate App Store. So these right now are here because they're just updated, but down the road, if you can't find them right in the front page, just click the little 3-line menu button, scroll down a little bit till you hit downloads, and this will take us right to the downloads page. And here's our download screen. So on the download screen is where you can find how to download the Ultimate App Store. That's going to be the next video out, guys, soon. If you haven't already, get out your phone, because this is on your TV now, right? Find your phone, open up the camera, take a picture of this QR code, and it'll give you a direct link to IPVanish for you, so you can get the discount on the IP or VPN in order to watch all these great videos and movies and TV shows. So we also have other app stores, and if you want, you can check out my videos also on Rumble. This sounds like I'm trying to sell you guys, so I went too far there. So you can see we have Pluto TV, another great free, fully legal streaming service for live TV. And so we have Zumo, so we can click on it. It's going to go to the Zumo TV page. We can click down. Now this will work for your Amazon device or any other Android device. So the Android device ones are regular phone layouts. So the kind of tall and skinny. They will rotate, but the Amazon TV doesn't have a rotate feature, so download the Amazon device feature. So to connect, automatically download 3 megs, tiny little program. So give it a moment here. It's going to ask for us to install it. So down on the bottom on the right, push install. Once it's installed, don't open it yet. You're going to want to push, instead of pushing open, push done, because it'll kick us back into downloader, and we can delete this APK file. We don't need it anymore because now it's on the stick. Now we can push home. You can get whatever you want at the tip of your fingers. Install took less than 5-10 minutes. I know I rambled. If I went too fast, push the pause button. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace out. It's Lee, led by the unknown. Check the website. I'll have another video for you tomorrow. Okay? Peace. So this is, I think I'm going to try this. The podcast I listen to. You're not supposed to say what happens at Fight Club stays in Fight Club, but I think I'm going to try to do some kind of weird thing at the end of my videos. I don't know if anyone ever makes it to the end. So this is a Fire TV stick. I don't even know where my camera is, as you can tell. This little cable was considered a root cable. So, give me 1 second. Oh, they're both the wrong one. I don't know where it went. I had one, but it's probably being used right now. So as you can tell, oh, there we go. These little guys, you can get one that pretty much looks like, I think it's supposed to look like this. So 1 micro at the end, and then 2 regular USBs. Actually, the USBs would be 1 in, 1 out. 1 male, 1 female, right? So then you plug this into here. One side, you can hook up your USB. I don't even have a USB sticker laying around. This is a terrible, terrible thing. So one side USB, the other side you send to the power. Now the way they routed it, back in the day, you would take USB, put a special program in your USB, or file, an APK file. Upon startup, you'd have it run it. And it would reroute your device. Sometimes you'd have to go in and push a little setting or reset button. There was a bunch of different ways. I wonder. I don't. I've sold them. Back in the day, little MX boxes, Minix boxes, Android boxes, TV boxes, and all those things. You needed to reroute. You needed to do it kind of the fancy way in order to sideload all these things. But the developer options button made it way easy. It's kind of like, I'm not sure if you guys remember Apple TV back in the day, like the original white big box. It was the same thing. You had to root it, jailbreak it actually, where you connected to your computer, you ran a second program side by side with it and hashed it together, and boom, you jailbroke it, and you could do all these things. Things have changed a little bit with from what last time I did a video. It's been a while, a good one. Most of my videos were taken down. Why? Well, they're a little alternative. They're YouTube doesn't like them. I just actually had a video taken down that's been up for like 2 years, and it was taken down last month. And I hadn't made a video probably in over a year prior to that. I just, busy, kids, whatever. And I was kind of like, what am I going to make videos of now? YouTube just keeps crashing me. For some reason, I mean, nobody's getting crashed lately. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. Maybe this one will go down. I don't know. This little monologue might not even make it up. So anyways, we'll see you on the flip side, guys. Take it easy. And let me know if this is a good little idea at the end. But don't tell anyone. And second off, let me know what you want to see tomorrow. Alright? Take care. Peace.